Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Afsisterwig, and today I'm going to be showcasing their natural edge kinky straight curly baby hair wig, and this one is in the length 20 inches. This is also 150% in density. This is what it looks like straight out of the package. The hair texture on this is absolutely gorgeous, and the front of the hairline looks really good. And it does come with your cap construction of 2 combs on the side. It also comes with a comb in the middle, a comb in the back, your adjustable straps, and you also get an elastic band for extra security. Excuse me if I sound a little weird because your girl is recovering from this mysterious sickness and I still have like a cough left. So my voice is just kind of like all over the place. But I did not wash this unit, y'all. I didn't feel like it needed to be washed. And look at the front of the hairline. I feel like they did such a good job on these fluffy edges. It looks so good. And then I'm going to showcase the parting space. The parting space looks really good. Also, you get a good amount. Yes, I know y'all see that band-aid on my hand. Your girl scraped up her hand, so a band-aid was needed. I had to run and get some like ones that were going to blend in more to my skin because I said, this is too bright. This ain't gonna do. But I am gonna cut off some of the lace on the side that's overlapping over my ear. And then I'm gonna work on cutting off the rest of this lace. You see how well the lace is already blending in. This is the Swiss lace, and you can rock this glueless, but for today I'm going to go in with my olive oil fix it whole spray, and I'm going to use my blow dryer to speed up the process. And yes, your girl did get a new blow dryer. I got this for my birthday from my friend, and I'm happy with it because my other one was a little bootleg, so adding on my attachments I would have to keep holding in place. It was definitely needed, but I did find a link to Amazon for this one, so I'll make sure to leave it down below because it's very affordable and it does a really good job. To blend these edges back a little bit more into the hair, so I'm going to use some of my wax, and then I'm also going to use my brush and put my blow dryer on medium heat, and I'm just going to brush everything back so it can just look a little bit more natural. Now this does have like a clean hairline, so I didn't feel like I had to go in and pluck out any of the hairs, and you can see how well that's blending back. Like, look how well that looks. That looks really good. And then I'm just going to place my elastic band on top. That way everything can just kind of marinate and settle in together before I work on styling this hair. To do a couple of passes through the hair, especially towards the back area. I went off of camera and flat ironed the rest, and then I'm going to take my hot comb and just kind of go around the front of the hairline just to kind of smooth everything out. And then I'm just going to put on a little bit of concealer and a lash, a little bit of blush. Y'all, I have not been feeling foundation lately, so concealer has like really been doing the job. But this is what it looks like when I take this elastic band off. I am loving this hairline. Yes, I feel like they did a really good job with these edges. You can definitely do like a cute half up, half down look if you want to, but I am going to be rocking a side part today. The top lay down all flat. I'm just going to go into the parting space with some of my powder just to kind of help open it up, because I didn't go in and bleach the knots or anything, and I feel like that helped make it look really natural. And then I'm going to go in with my Sleek and Shine serum. I'm not going to use a lot because it's not needed, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I love the way that this hair feels. Now you can leave your hair out like this if you want to, but you are gonna see me kind of tuck the side and like swoop the side, just because I wanted the hair out of my face. And that's usually my go-to, especially when it is getting hotter outside and I still want to rock a wig. I like to tuck it behind my ear. That way it can still look natural. This is the final look, and I love how everything came together. I thought I was gonna have to go in and like really work this hairline, because sometimes y'all already know them hairlines be looking really thick, but I like the way that this came out. This is what the back of the unit is looking like, and I love the length, and I also love the density because it's not doing too much. Make sure you stay tuned after this so you can hear my final thoughts when it comes to this unit. So I am done styling this wig, and y'all, I like this one. You guys seen that I took it on the side and got me a little swoop of how natural it still looks. And even on this side, I feel like it still looks good. I don't think that the curly edges are too much on this unit. However, if you want to kind of pluck a little bit more on the side, you can. But it was nice to not have to go in and do any extra plucking, because I didn't want to take away too much, because I feel like they placed them like perfectly. Like, this is how natural I would like for my curly edges to look if you're going to put them on a textured unit. You guys seen that I added a little bit of wax. I used my blow dryer and kind of like smoothed everything out. I used a little bit of my hot comb like behind where the edges kind of curled up at, and just kind of laid them down a little bit. But the wax is definitely doing its job, and I put my elastic band in the front, and everything just turned out really good. I also feel like what's helping this kind of blend in and look even more natural is the Swiss lace on this unit. I didn't have to go in and put any powder in the front area. I put some powder into the parting space because I did style this straight out of the box. I didn't go in and wash this unit, and I could see like a little bit of knots, but not enough to where I feel like I was gonna have to go in and bleach them. So I feel like, you know, the powder definitely did a good job. You can see that I am rocking a side part. However, if you want to rock this in the middle part, if you want to do like a cute half up, half down look, you definitely can. You can rock this unit glueless. However, I did decide to go in with my olive oil fix it whole spray. I feel like the fit on this is okay. I do have a small head. I don't feel like it's going to slip and slide off, but anytime that I'm really rocking a frontal, and if it's not fitted like really, you know, snug to my head, I like to go in with some extra reinforcement. This is 20 inches in length. I feel like the length on this is perfect. I am only 5'2". Also 150% density. I actually really like the density on this unit, especially because it is about to get really hot outside. So if you wanted to put this like in a ponytail, it's still going to look really good. You can add a little bit of curls to this, but I would prefer to rock this straight. Go through a couple of times with my flat iron in certain sections just to kind of knock that texture out. But you can definitely still see the texture throughout this hair. It looks really natural. I did add in a little bit of my Sleek and Shine serum just to kind of help keep it sleek. I did not have to deal with a lot of frizziness nor flyaways with this unit. Now, once I was styling it, I did run into a little bit of snags towards the ends of the hair. And also the ends, I wish they were, you know, just a little bit fuller, but I don't feel like they look bad. And also, I'm not noticing a lot of frizziness at the ends. Now, I did have to run through the hair a few times with my flat iron just to kind of knock some of that texture down, but you can definitely still see the texture throughout this unit, which I love because it makes it just look really nice and natural. A little bit of snags, and also I received a little bit of shedding with this unit. But guys, let me know what you think about this one. I think this one is really cute. Like I said, I am loving the edges on this unit and how I didn't have to really go in and do too much. Now, if you are feeling this style, I am going to make sure to leave all the links down below. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.